Hello, what's up today? In this video, I want to show you how you can start building your email list. Email list is one of the most important way you can market your product. That is the most stable way you can market your product. Because if you talk about Facebook account is not reliable, your account can be disabled at any time. But if you have an email list, you can always promote your product to your subscribers at any time. And although some people will be unsubscribing, as some people are going, you will also be adding more people. It's more reliable than any other platform, and you can have as many as possible. Depends on how much you can invest into it. Is more reliable than any other platform. So I'm going to tell you how you can start building your own email list now. Let's get started. Now, there are email marketing platforms that are available in the market, and the choice of which one you are going to use depends on what you want to do and your budget. Now we have Mailchimp, and we have Getresponse, we have Aweber. Let me tell you the pro and the cons of these three. In Mailchimp, you can have up to 1,000 subscribers in your free account, and the free account is not limited. You don't have a date, so you can always have your free account as long as your subscribers are within 1,000. Your free account will be running. But the only disadvantage with Mailchimp is that they are very meticulous. With a little mistake, they can disable your account, and they don't like affiliate marketing. So don't promote affiliate marketing on Mailchimp. What you can do is always direct people to your website, then put your affiliate link on your website. Don't put your affiliate link in the mails, and don't attach image to your mails. That's the disadvantage of Mailchimp. If not, the free version is very good. It helps beginners. Then number two is Getresponse. Getresponse has 30-day free trial. After that, you can now start your paid version, and their service is also very good. But the disadvantage is that since maybe if you are a beginner, you may want to, because if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, maybe you have about 200 subscribers, you are paying the same amount that somebody that have 1,000 subscribers is paying. That is cheating. So I suggest, if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers yet, you can just be managing Mailchimp, since their own is free. Until you have up to 1,000 subscribers, then you can now start paying. I think it's wiser. Then Aweber also have a 30 days free trial. You can be using that for 30 days, but the challenge is that their paid version only allow you to have 500 subscribers for at the rate of $19, which is very expensive, but their service is very good. I love them. Their service is good, but they are a bit expensive. So as a beginner, I prefer you start with Mailchimp first, Then if you want to create your account on Mailchimp, you can just type it on Google, or I'm going to provide a link in the description. All right, now this is it. You just hit sign up, and you are just going to type in your details here. I believe you can do all this. I'm not going to do this one now because I've already done my own. So once you fill your details and hit sign up, your account have been created successfully. Now once I've done that, let's go to the next stage. Now if you have successfully signed up, the next thing you will do is to log in into your account and start setting your account. So I will show you now how you can set your account. Let's get started. Once you log in your dashboard, you are going to click on this audience, then you click on sign up forms. If you click on sign up forms, then you will click on this setting, and you are going to click on audience name and default. Then this is where you are going to set your audience name. This name is going to appear in your form, so your subscribers will see this, and make sure it's what you want your subscribers to see. This is the name of the audience the subscribers are subscribing to. Then this is your email. This is the email that all the mails you are going to send will come from. That is from email, and this email have to be a domain, and that means you are going to have a website and create an email from that your website. I will show you on how to do all that. And once you have gotten that your professional email, I have a video that shows how to create a professional email like this, which will be at yourdomain.com. And you will now fill all these. I think these are the most important thing. And another important thing is that you are going to check this enable double opt-in. This is because some people are not serious. They just want to know what will happen after they type their email, so that in most cases they just type fake emails, and by the time you start sending mail to those people, the email will bounce, and the more email that bounce, the more your domain start losing integrity. If the bounce rate is high, the mails you'll be sending subsequently will no longer go into inbox of your subscribers. It will go into spam folders. The mail delivery engine will now see as if you copy those email from the internet. So that is why you need to use double opt-in, so that they will have to go back to their email to confirm. It gives you genuine subscribers. It enables you to have genuine subscribers and those who are really serious with what they are doing, so that your email will have a higher delivery rate. That's why you need to check this enable double opt-in. And once you have done that, the next thing you will do is to set up your forms, your opt-in forms. This is where they are going to type in their emails and other details. And this is it here. You will click on this form builder. Now if you click on the form builder, you are going to see other things that are here. all you need to do is to delete those ones. Assuming I want to delete this, if I want to delete this phone number now, I will just click on this minus and it will ask me to type in this delete to confirm that I want to delete it. You just type delete in capital letter and you hit delete. So once you delete other ones, it will now be the ones, the details you want to require from your subscribers. If you have done that, the next thing is how you can place it on your website to start collecting your subscribers. Now, how do you do that? To do that, just click on that sign up form again, and you are now going to use these embed forms. If you click on that embed forms, you will see a bunch of code. You see this code, so you are going to copy this code and paste on your Insta builder. I normally use Insta builder with Mailchimp because it works better. I tried using it with Elementor one time. It didn't work well, so I prefer using it with Insta builder. So you will copy this code and paste it in your Insta builder. I will show you in my subsequent videos where you can paste it. And once you have done that, the next thing is to start designing your landing page. So this form will now appear on your landing page where people can type in their emails and other details so that they now become your subscribers. You can now promote your product to them. I think this is the much we can take in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.